I am Maheshwar Hiramat, founder of Swati. After working for over 22 years in the aviation industry and completing many successful projects, I realized my and my team's wealth and health were lacking. I often classified the success of the companies I worked for my own and team well-being. This led me to start Swati, an organization that values both success and the well-being of its people. Swati was born from this vision. Our mission is to deliver excellent project while ensuring our team members thrive both professionally and personally. We aim to set new standards in the aviation industry by focusing on quality, integrity, and overall development. I am deeply grateful for the support of Mr. Shankaraya, Mr. Shiv, and Mr. Nitin, and others during the initial days. Later, the teams at Boimer, Venderlande, Bokaka, Airports Authority of India, GMR, BIL, PIMC, and others also played a crucial role. Whatever we have achieved today is because of their great and unconditional support. My heartfelt thanks to my core team, Sudhakar Reddy, Anand Kumar, Sachin Singh, Sachin PC, Ashok, Kamal Satyadeva, and late Khashaya and Sarvan, and everyone else whose dedication and hard work have helped us achieve a strong position in the market. Special gratitude goes to my better off daughter Swati and father-in-law. Their unwavering trust, support, and encouragement through all the ups and downs of this journey have been invaluable. Our ambition is to make Swati not just a successful organization, healthy institute where all stakeholders have a joyful and healthy, where all stakeholders enjoy a comfortable life. We also strive to extend financial help to those in need and to support the less fortunate in society. For us, true success is not just about making money, but also about positively impacting our employees, clients, and the community. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sudhakar Reddy. I am working as a Vice President for Projects and Engineering Services. I joined in Swati Airport Services in 2013. In total, I started my career in 1999. The best thing is, from my starting career till the date, I have only one boss. That is our beloved MD sir, Maheshwar Hiramat Garu. Though all these 25 years of experience, I learned a lot from Maheshwar, and he given a lot of opportunities for us to grow personally. My aim is, we started our career as a ITC installation manpower supplier. Now, in another 4 to 5 years, I would like to see the company as a total OEM for passenger boarding bridges and baggage handling system, cargo handling system. I believe that we can achieve this target in another 4 to 5 years. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Anand Kumar. I am one of the founding employees of Swati and I lead operations. We specialized in design, engineering, manufacturing, automation, and 24/7 support services. We started this organization in 2012 in a one-bedroom apartment with a team of 4 to 5 people. Today, we have grown to over 850 employees across India with presence at more than 40 airports. Over the past decade, we have built a worldwide reputation as a trusted partner, forming a successful partnership with many reputed OEMs. Thanks to our strong leadership, growth-oriented management, and highly efficient team. Our vision is to contribute to the development of modern India by introducing a top-tier products and innovative services concept. Our values are to build a strong relationship with customers and partners through customer-centric products and services while adhering to all social, environmental, and legal regulations. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sachin Chandrasekhar and I am the General Manager of Swati Airport Support Services Private Limited. I oversee our sales and business development activities, working to ensure we continue to deliver exceptional services and innovative solutions in the aviation industry. I've had the pleasure of being associated with Swati since 2015. During this time, I've witnessed our company evolve and grow, thanks to our dedicated team and our commitment to excellence. My role involves strategizing and executing initiatives to expand our business and enhance our client relationships, all while maintaining the high standards which Swati is known for.
Hi, I'm Murali. I'm the O&M HOD. I'm working in Swati from past 1 year, and I'm looking after all the O&M activities of all the sites, ensuring they are well trained, motivated, and equipped to handle their task efficiently. As of today, we have 40 plus sites of PBB, BHS, and cargo contracts, which covers the CMC contracts and AICMC contracts. The operation and maintenance department plays a vital role in ensuring that our facilities and systems run smoothly and efficiently. By focusing on both preventive and corrective measures, along with strategic planning and continuous improvements, we aim to support the overall success of our organization. We regularly assess the performance of our O&M activities through key performance indicators and feedback to identify areas for improvement. And finally, thanking everyone for giving this opportunity.
हाय, मेरा नाम शरण गौड़ा, ऑपरेशन मैनेजर होकर काम कर रहा हूँ। मैं 12 साल से इसी स्वाति कंपनी में काम कर रहा हूँ और आईटीसी, बीएचएस, पीबीपी काम कर रहा हूँ और इधर भी नहीं, इंडिया में नहीं है, फिर भी बाहर से भी काम करके आया है। श्रीलंका, इंडोनेशिया में काम करके इधर आया हूँ। अभी गोवा में साइट इंचार्ज होकर काम करता था, अभी प्रमोशन होके इधर हैदराबाद में मेरे को ट्रांसफ़र किया। मैं इधर सीखने के लिए बहुत कुछ मिला है। महेश सर बहुत सारे मेरे को सपोर्ट किया है, स्टार्टिंग से लेकर अभी तक भी काम कर रहा है, सपोर्ट किया है। और वही सर पहले बहुत सारे एफर्ट किया, उसके साथ में मैडम भी सपोर्ट किया है। वो सपोर्ट से मैं अभी तक इधर काम कर रहा हूँ। धन्यवाद।
सत श्री अकाल जी, मेरा नाम सचिन सिंह है और मैं पंजाब से हूँ और मैं एज ए कंपनी प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर काम कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे। और मेरा करियर स्वाति के साथ 2009 से चालू है। और हम लोग मेरा जो टॉपिक है इस ऑफिस के बारे में, बिहेवियर के बारे में, उसके ऊपर है। जैसे कि मेरे महेश सर हैं, सुधाकर सर हैं, आनंद सर हैं, जैसे कि हम लोग 2009 से काम कर रहे हैं, उनसे मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है। और हमने जो अपना सफ़र चालू हुआ है 2009 से लेकर अभी तक, कि वो बहुत ही एक अच्छे इंसान है और हमेशा हमसे बहुत प्यार से एज ए फैमिली बनकर रहते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल, जैसे हर कंपनी ने आपने देखा होगा कि एम्प्लॉई एक एम्प्लॉई की तरह रहता है, बट ये जो कंपनी है हमारी, एक एम्प्लॉई और एम्प्लॉई को हमेशा एक फैमिली की तरह लेकर रखते हैं और अभी तक ऐसे ही चल रहा है। और जो भी हमारा नया आदमी आता है कंपनी में, कोई भी नया ज्वाइन करता है, एज ए फैमिली पर्सन के हिसाब से रहता है। और जो महेश सर है वो उनका बहुत ही ज़्यादा ध्यान रखते हैं, लाइक द सुधाकर सर, आनंद सर, सभी और मैडम भी हमारे। और जैसे कोई भी उनकी फैमिली प्रॉब्लम होती है, उनकी किसी घर में या हर किसी में, वो भी चीज़ वो उनका पूरा हेल्प करते हैं। कि ऐसे बहुत सब कंपनी में होता है कि फैमिली की बारे में हेल्प करना, देखना, बट इनको किसी भी अगर प्रॉब्लम होती है किसी फैमिली को, वो पूरा अच्छा उनका हेल्प करते हैं, पूरा ध्यान रखते हैं। और इसीलिए आदमी और उनसे जुड़ता जाता है। जैसे अभी तक मैक्सिमम उन्होंने बहुत बंदों की हेल्प की है, बहुत आदमियों की उन्होंने हेल्प की है, बट हमारी कंपनी में बहुत कम लोग हैं कि उनको अच्छी तरह देखते हैं। बट एज ए हमारे जो हम 4-5 आदमी हैं कंपनी में जो कंटिन्यू हम काम कर रहे हैं, और उनको लिए वो हमारे एक गॉड फादर की तरह है। और सेकंड, हम ऑलमोस्ट इस कंपनी में 12-13 साल हो गए काम करते हुए, और आगे भी हम लोग चाहते हैं कि ऐसे ही हम, जैसे हमारा अभी नया ऑफिस चालू होने वाला है, ये हमारा फर्स्ट ऑफिस था, हम सब ने मिलकर देखा था, अभी हम नए ऑफिस में शिफ्टिंग हो रहे हैं। तो एज ए हम कंपनी का ग्रो होता जा रहा है, तो मैं एज ए गॉड से विश करना चाहता हूँ, सरस्वती से एक प्रार्थना करना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे सभी वहाँ पे जाके नई कंपनी में जाएं और एक अच्छे से ग्रोथ हम सबके लिए चलता रहे, और हम उससे जिस जहाँ पे हम अभी हैं उससे भी ज़्यादा आगे हम वहाँ से पहुँचे। तो यही चीज़ है, मेरा एक व्यू है जो इस कंपनी के ऊपर है और सर के ऊपर है, महेश सर, मैडम एंड सुधाकर सर, इनके सबके ऊपर है कि वो एक फैमिली, हम एक फैमिली की तरह काम करते हैं और वो भी फैमिली की तरह जोड़ते हैं। तो हम एज ए सबको मैं कंग्रेचुलेशन करना चाहता हूँ, मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूँ कि हम नई कंपनी में जाके एक अच्छे से और एक नई मंजिल को हम छुएं। मेरा यही था। सो मच, थैंक यू।
Hello everyone, this is Ashok, the Finance and Accounts Manager at Swati. I have been with Swati for the last 3 years, and during this time, I have witnessed incredible growth and transformation. Our team has tackled countless challenges, always striving for excellence in everything we do. To all my colleagues, thank you for your hard work and dedication. Together, we have built something special, and I can't wait to see what we achieve in our new home. Here's to a future filled with success and continued growth. Thank you.
हेलो जी, मेरा नाम रिंकू है। मैं यहाँ अकाउंट्स डिपार्टमेंट में काम करती हूँ। मेरा यहाँ पर आके 1.5 ईयर हो गया है। मेरा डे टू डे एक्टिविटी में मेरा डेली बैंक अपडेट करना और वीकली वंस पेमेंट रिलीज़ करना, सेल्स इनवॉइस बनाना और हमको कोई लेजर क्लियरेंस करना हो या पार्टी के साथ हमको लेजर प्रॉपरली अपडेटेड है या नहीं, ये सब कुछ चेक करना पड़ता है। और हमारे यहाँ ऑफिस में सब के सब बहुत सपोर्टिव है। वर्क लेवल में तो बहुत सपोर्ट मिलता है एंड हमारे यहाँ पे काफ़ी फ्रेंडली नेचर है, ओपन माइंडेड है और ट्रेनिंग जो दिया जाता है वर्क लेवल पे वो सिर्फ एक मेल नहीं फीमेल भी प्रॉपरली कर सके उस लेवल में दिया जाता है। और फीमेल कोई ओपिनियन दे कोई तो उसको बहुत अच्छे से सुनते भी है, समझते भी है और हमको वो अपने काम में इम्प्लीमेंट भी करते हैं। और हमको यहाँ कल्चरल एक्टिविटी हो जैसे दशहरा हो, दिवाली हो, बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। और सर, मैडम, मेरा डिपार्टमेंट हेड सब बहुत सपोर्टिव है। एक चीज़ मैं बोलना चाहूँगी, सभी के सभी यहाँ बहुत सपोर्टिव है। इवन यहाँ पे मेल काउंटिंग ज़्यादा है, फीमेल काउंटिंग कम है, बट फिर भी हमको फीमेल को कभी डाउन नहीं किया जाता है, बहुत सपोर्ट मिलता है। हम कुछ भी करें, कुछ भी कहे, कुछ सजेशन दे तो उसको बहुत पॉजिटिवली लेते हैं, वो बहुत बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट है।
Myself, SS Dadawali. So I'm working as a HR manager in Swati Airport Support Service. So I have a 6 years of experience. I was worked in so lot of like industries, so real estate industry, FMCG industry, and so graphical designing industry. This kind of industry I was worked in almost 6 years of experience. In that one, so recently I was joined in Swati Airport Support Service. So here, as a couple of months experience, I was observed in this organization. So whatever I have a 6 years of experience is completely different to here in the Swati Airport Support Service. Mainly I was observed that. So here there is a great career opportunity to work in an airport. So directly airport. So there is a lot of like 900 to 1,000 employees. They're given an opportunity to career growth in Swati Airport Support Service. And so I was observed one more thing. So every employee they are providing the social security. The social security means so if it is anything happened, so if it is anything, it will be so we can't say like that. But so if anything, it will be happened. So the company will be take care of the each employee. They are providing the insurance, the family moral and everything they providing. And one more thing. The higher management is be look as a not like an employee. So each employee be as a family member. So this is a great thing. So I never observed in any organization as of my experience. And one more thing, the higher management will be give the 100% support in each level of things. If you are stopped anything, so the directly managing director, CEO. So all our will be comes to us. There will be growth. If we are disappointed in anything, so our management will be comes to you directly, talk with you. So be as a family. They will be give a great opportunity they are providing to us. Thank you so much for giving an opportunity to work in Swati Airport Support Service. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, myself Kaustubh Kulkarni. I am working here as an HR and admin executive here. Before I was working in Terminal 2 International Airport, Bangalore as an admin there. Then I got an opportunity to work in head office. They have called me here to work here as an admin and HR executive also to learn more things here, and I am looking forward to work here. Thank you everyone.
Hi, myself Sachin Hiramat. Here I am working as a procurement engineer and I joined since 3 years back without knowing any reason, and I learned many things from this company, and all all the employees in this company treating us as a family members, and we're developing our vendors, and we will be taking care of the logistics, and we are doing some import exports also, and it will be helped us to growing our growth in our company. That's it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Mahesh and I recently joined Swati as a senior mechanical design engineer, and being a part of Swati has been a fantastic experience so far. The company's commitment to innovation, excellence and collaborative work environment is very inspiring. Our team is committed to ease day-to-day activities of our customers by innovating and developing new products in aerospace industries and metal handling equipments. I'm eager to contribute my skills and work alongside such talented colleagues in this product development process. Here is to the exciting opportunities ahead and continuous success of our company. I am confident that with our dedication, we will achieve greater things together. I am truly excited to be part of amazing team and to celebrate the opening of our new office. This is not just a new location, it's a space where our vision and values come to life.
Hi, myself Vasu. I have recently joined Swati as a bid manager. I thank management for choosing me for this role. The team here is so energetic and engaged with high quality of work, and I congratulate our team and staff for our new beginnings at our new office. Thank you one and all once again.
मेरा नाम श्रीराम प्रसाद पाठी. Basically I am from Odisha. 2021 सितंबर से till now स्वाति से मैं हूँ. मेरा job and responsibility is the finance and accounts executive, and my job role is the total it means billing related and vendor and client management. स्वाति से मैं रह के बहुत कुछ सीखा, बढ़ पाया, एंड आगे सीखने के लिए और भी कुछ इच्छुक रहता हूँ. थैंक यू टू.
Hello, I am Nitin and I work as a purchase manager in Swati Airport Support Services Private Limited. My roles and responsibilities are to get the approved material related to the projects within the given timelines. Also, I have a team member of my colleague who has actually really supported me a lot too. His name is Sachin Hiramat, who is actually a great representative from my department. And also working with Swati is like a very collaborative experience, which has actually taught me many great things to take projects further in any kind of situations that I may face. I really worked enjoying with each and every colleague who has actually make me understand in each and every situation of the project and how to take the things further in a compatible way. Also, I loved working with my beloved boss and many other key colleagues who is actually a key part of this contribution to this organization, who are actually striving to be a great success to this organization. I am personally feeling very happy being a success part of Swati as it has a constant dedication, collaboration towards its employees.